Hello YouTube. Sorry that my project is right now laying all over the floor. My science project. Okay, but today what I was going to be doing is some gun testing. And I'm going to show you all my guns and how they shoot. Oh, and I know this is your face mask if you're watching this. So, yeah. Sorry for the science project all over the floor. But I'll try to use white BBs for this so you can see where my target hits most of the time. Because I aim towards the bullseye. Alright. But anyway, we'll be testing my Vice 9 first thing. It's got gold handle and purple tiger. So let's start out with that. I know I'm a little bit too close. Well, actually I'm way too close, but who cares? Bullseye. Shooting 3 shots from each gun. Bullseye. And I'm not sure where that went, but I'm pretty sure it's bullseye. Okay. So that was Vice 9. Next up is a Colt. Okay. Sight's broken on this one too. Okay. So those were 3 shots from a Colt. Then this one, I'm only going to get 1 shot out of because I don't have a magazine. I just plopped the BB in there through the top. So here we go. This is the 1 shot from a P99. Did that even shoot? Nope. Didn't shoot. Alright. Try to load it again. Damn. One more time. Alright. Nope. Still. Okay, sorry guys, this is gonna take a little bit. Alright, this time, if I don't get it, I'm just gonna forget about this gun. Okay, I got it. Alright, so here you go. Okay, you know what? No, I didn't get it. But who even cares, because I don't. Anyway, it flew back, hit me in the hand. So anyway, next we're going to try out is my single shot M4, 3 shots from it. It's got a flashlight attachment. Actually, it does work. Got a grip, and that's it. Also, it has a power attachment that makes it a little more powerful, so brings it up to about that 350 FPS from 300. So here we go. 3 shots from this, and this video will continue on some. So 7. Doesn't really shoot where you want to on this gun because the sight is a little wacko. Okay. We'll, a little wacko from up close, I should say. That was the M4 Stinger. That concludes the weapons firing. Means I can take that off. So that's it for the weapons firing. Now to show you my accessories and what I use in the field. I'll wear clothes somewhat similar to this, except for when I use a team battle, I use the team sweatshirt, which I believe is downstairs right now. Or I use the team t-shirt, and I use sweatpants that are white and thin, about this thin, so I can like feel when a bullet hits me, or you know, here I'll show you that thin. Then like, if it's like ghillie war or stealth, I'll wear something else like baggy black cargo pants and my ghillie suit that's right now hanging on the door. Then here's something else that I use when we do a little bit of camping. You all know about that from Call of Duty. Ooh, that bolt cracked. Okay. If you all have seen Blake 316, people will laugh like shit for this one. Watch it. Wait for it. You all are gonna love this. And it's hilarious because it's completely portable. Here it is. Okay. Now you can get inside of this, right? Go. Shut it up. It's got the, what's it called? Stuff on it. Got screwed. I don't even remember what it's called. It's that stuff that you put on there. Velcro. Alright. So yeah, it's got Velcro in there to open it. Okay, that's pretty strong. Yeah, but Velcro, open, close. You can roll it up, tie it back together if you want it to stay open like that. Otherwise, you just do it like that. Shut it. My friend, I'm trying to get one of my friends to buy these so they can use them during the war, because you know I don't like people to just run around getting shot half the time because you know they weren't camouflaged or something else. But yeah, it's pretty much going to conclude this video. Those are pretty much my accessories that I use during an airsoft game. I'm going to be starting to post on this channel more than my original channel, which is XXMasterShake7. Sorry for the inactivity on that one. I might do more quick scoping videos soon on Black Ops, because I'm probably not going to get Modern Warfare 3, seeing that Saints Row 3 is awesome, and that I just got Halo Anniversary. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I will not be adding any friends on this channel though, just to let you all know. Unless you are a part of BunjieTeam, and that takes 1, living locally, and 2, getting shot by a M16 full auto, or getting shot by this buddy 3 times. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video. I'd like to give out a special thanks to iPod for actually having a camera on it, some of their accessories, so I could film this video. And second off, just the whole team for actually joining and not being afraid to get shot. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.